So in the question we have the particle initially it moves with a velocity of 15 meter per second. Initial velocity is 15 meter per second in the east direction. And after time t is equal to 10 seconds, its velocity is magnitude is same, but its direction is changed to north direction. We need to find the average acceleration. These are given and we need to find this. Moving with 15 meter per second in east direction, and it changes the direction of it changes the direction of its velocity to north direction. So initial velocity is 15 meter per second, and this is positive x-axis, this is positive y-axis, this is negative x-axis, and this is negative y-axis. So initial velocity is in x-axis and it is positive x-axis. So initial velocity is 15 I cap and final velocity is 15. It is in positive y-axis. So final velocity is 15 j cap. And we know time, that is 10 seconds. So average acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. So v is 15 j cap minus 15 I cap by t is 10 seconds. We'll take 15 common from this. J cap minus I cap by 10. 5 3s, 5 2s. Three into j cap minus I cap is root of 1 square plus 1 square. So that is 3 into root of 1 square is 1 into root 2. So into 1 into root 2 by 2. So this can be written as 3 into root 2 can be written as 3 into root 2, and 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 and root 2 will get cancelled. So average acceleration is 3 by root 2. Now we'll find the direction. Now we'll plot v minus u, that is 15 j cap minus 15 I cap. 15 j cap is positive y axis and minus 15 I cap. So it's in the negative x axis. So it's over here. So relative velocity will be over here, which is in northeast direction. So this is in northeast. So this is in northwest direction.